Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share some of my tips and tricks for drawing the portrait sketches. So let's begin. So in this video, we are going to learn about the basic features of portrait sketches. So let's begin by drawing an eye with two parallel lines and by drawing two prisms connecting to those parallel lines. And now similarly you should draw one slanting line and one parallel line. And now we need to draw a straight line and a slanting line. And now we need to draw an eyeball. Similarly, we should draw one slanting line down and one more parallel line down. So now this is a basic eye diagram. So now you might be thinking that this eye isn't looking like a real eye, realistic eye, right? So let's begin by giving it some shades, right? So let's begin. Now we should modify the diagram, right? So by drawing the curves at the edges of the eye. So let's begin. It's time to make this eye a realistic one. So let's begin by giving it some shades. And here I'm done with the basic sketching of an eye. So let's move on to the basic sketching of the nose. So now draw two parallel lines and we should draw three circles. One in the center, and here you need to draw one more circle. Here you need to draw one more circle. So now this is a basic outline of a nose. So let's begin by giving it a perfect outline. So let's start. So here I'm done with the pencil sketching of the nose. So let's move on to the pencil sketching of the lips. Firstly, we need to draw a curved line. And then we need to draw two mountains. It's up to your wish. A thin one or a fat one. And similarly down we should draw like this. So this is the basic outline of a lips for the portrait sketching. So let's begin by making it a realistic one. And by this I come to the end of our video. I hope you find it easy to draw. So these were the basic tricks for drawing the portrait sketchings. Thank you.